Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you amazing health benefits of beetroots and their summaries. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Like many modern vegetables, beetroot was first cultivated by the Romans. By the 19th century, it held great commercial value when it was discovered that beets could be converted into sugar. Today the leading commercial producers include the USA, Russia, France, Poland and Germany. Beets are packed with healthy nutrients like the 5 essential vitamins, calcium, iron, potassium and protein. Health benefits of beets. Beets fight cancer. Beets contain high level of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agents that studies show may help reduce the risk of some cancers. They get their striking red color from beta-cyanine, a plant pigment that some preliminary research indicates might help defend cells against harmful carcinogens. Also, high levels of a unique fiber found in beets may be linked to a lower colon cancer. Beets lower risk of heart diseases. Beets are a good source of folate and betaine. These nutrients act together to help lower blood levels of homocysteine, which can increase your risk of heart disease by causing artery-damaging inflammation. Beets boost eye health. Beet greens are a good source of lutein, an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. They also contain a wide variety of phytochemicals that may help improve the health of your eyes and nerve tissues. Beets boost endurance. British researchers conducted studies that found athletes who drank beet juice mixed with a little apple juice before working out reported better endurance and a lower resting blood pressure than those who did not. The performance boost is thought to be from the nitrate found in the root. Additional research suggests that a beet apple juice mixture could make certain activities like walking less exhausting for seniors. Beets reduce dementia risk. Beets produce nitric acid which help increase blood flow throughout your body, include to your brain. MRIs done on older adults show that after eating a high nitrate diet that include beet juice, the subjects had more blood flow to white matter of their frontal lobes. Beets combat constipation. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, and beets are chock full of it. Health risk of beets. Beets contribute to kidney stones. If you are prone to kidney stones, you might want to eat beet green with caution. They are high in oxalates which can form small crystals and contribute to the development of kidney stones. Beets could cause gout. Beets are high in oxalate which can contribute in a health condition called gout, a type of arthritis that develops when too much uric acid builds up in the body. Beets discolor your stool. You might find beets help you go to bathroom, but don't be alarmed if your urine or stool is pink or red. It is not blood and is actually harmless. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.